Welcome to Review Rumble. The best John Deere L110 parts are probably one of the most crucial components to consider when maintaining your lawn tractor, ensuring it continues to perform at its peak for years to come. These parts are designed to fit seamlessly, offering reliability and durability that directly impacts your mowing experience and the longevity of your equipment. Investing in the right parts means less downtime and more efficient lawn care, making them an indispensable part of owning a John Deere L110. Number 5. 810 Deck Rebuild Kit for John Deere 42-inch Deck. Restore your mower's cutting performance with this comprehensive deck rebuild kit. It includes all the essential parts you need for a full overhaul. Specifically engineered for John Deere L100 series mowers with 42-inch decks. Ensure a perfect fit and seamless integration with your existing equipment. This kit features durable replacement blades, spindles, belts, and idlers. They are designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications for reliable performance. It directly replaces numerous John Deere OEM part numbers, including GX20433, GY20050, and GX20072. This makes upgrading your mower straightforward. Beyond John Deere, it's also compatible with select Sabo and Scott's models featuring 42-inch decks. Check the compatibility list for your specific model. The included belt measures 104 inches in length and 0.5 inches in width, with an A4L profile. This ensures optimal power transfer and cutting efficiency. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for your 42-inch deck. It includes all the essential components to get your mower back in top shape. If you're looking for a one-stop shop to replace worn-out parts and restore your deck's performance, this is the choice for you. What people say. The John Deere L110 parts are a perfect fit for the mower, ensuring seamless operation and preventing any compatibility issues. Installation of these parts was straightforward and took minimal time, allowing for a quick return to mowing. The durable construction of the parts suggests they will withstand regular use and provide long-lasting performance for the John Deere L110. Number 4. John Deere Lawn Mower Spindle Assembly GY20050. Introducing a high-quality spindle assembly designed for your John Deere lawn mower. It's built to last and ensure smooth operation. This part is a perfect fit for various John Deere models, including the L100 series and those with 42 or 48-inch decks. It replaces part numbers GY20050 and GY20785. You'll receive everything you need for installation. This includes the housing, shaft, bearings, and all necessary mounting hardware. Installation is straightforward thanks to the pre-lubricated Zerk grease fitting. It's ready to go right out of the box. Experience reliable performance with this robust assembly. Its strong construction ensures it can handle tough mowing jobs. We provide a dependable solution for your mower's needs. It comes with a strong package to ensure it arrives in excellent condition. What we like. This spindle assembly is built for durability and comes with all the necessary mounting screws. It's designed to fit both 42 and 48-inch decks, offering versatility. If your current spindle is damaged or worn, and you need a reliable replacement that's easy to install, this is a great option. What people say. This part is a direct fit for my John Deere L110, making installation straightforward. The material feels durable and has held up well under regular use, suggesting good longevity for the mower. Number 3. HD Switch Front Wheel Hardware Kit for John Deere L and LA Series. Upgrade your John Deere L and LA Series mower with this essential front wheel hardware kit from HD Switch. It's designed for a perfect fit and lasting performance. Experience engineered performance with this kit. It's built to enhance your mower's capabilities, ensuring a smoother and more reliable operation. This is a superior upgrade featuring premium hub caps and heat-treated hardware. These components are designed for durability and a secure fit. Enjoy high-quality parts that are precision machined for accuracy. This ensures that every component fits perfectly and functions as intended. This kit is a direct replacement for numerous John Deere L and LA series models. It provides a reliable solution for your mower's front wheel needs. Please note that bearings are not included with this hardware kit. You will need to source those separately for installation. What we like. This kit provides a superior upgrade for your front wheels with precision machined hardware. It's engineered for performance and durability. If you're looking to replace worn-out front wheel components and want a high-quality, precise fit, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The part was a perfect fit for my John Deere L110. It was easy to install and works great. Number 2. Steering Sector Pinion Gear Rebuild Kit for John Deere L Series. Are you experiencing issues with your lawn tractor steering? If the sector and pinion gears are stripped, it's time for a replacement. This kit is a direct replacement for OEM part number GX20052BLE. It's designed to fix your steering problems quickly and efficiently. Don't waste money on expensive repairs or replacements. Our well-manufactured kit will save you both time and money. This kit is designed to fit John Deere L100, L105, L107, L110, L118, L108, L111, G110, L130, and L120 series lawn tractors. Please ensure your model is listed in the fitment section, as L and LA series mowers do not use the same steering sector plate. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact us via email. We're here to help you solve any issues promptly. What we like. This rebuild kit is designed to immediately fix stripped steering sector and pinion gears. It's a cost-effective solution that will save you both time and money on repairs. If you're experiencing steering issues due to worn gears, this kit is the perfect solution to get your tractor steering smoothly again. What people say. The part was a perfect fit for my John Deere L110. It was easy to install and works great. Number 1. HD Switch Wheel Bushing to Bearing Conversion Kit. Tired of worn-out bushings? Upgrade your John Deere with our conversion kit. It's designed for ultimate performance and protection. This kit is engineered for performance, ensuring your equipment runs smoother for longer. Experience the difference quality engineering makes. It features a synthetic formula high-temp grease with wear-resistant additives. This provides ultimate protection against friction and wear. Our grease is rated to 400F, making it ideal for demanding conditions. It's built to last and perform even in high temperatures. Designed for wheels with 1.375-inch rims and 0.750-inch axle sizes. This ensures a perfect fit for many John Deere models. Enjoy long-lasting durability with this conversion kit. The high-temperature grease ensures sustained performance and protection over time. What we like. This kit converts your wheel bushings to a bearing system, ensuring smoother operation and longevity. It includes high-temperature grease for ultimate protection and long-lasting performance. If you're looking to upgrade your mower's wheel system for enhanced durability and reduced friction, this conversion kit is ideal. What people say. This part is a direct fit for the John Deere L110, making installation straightforward. The material quality seems durable and built to last, which is important for mower parts. It functions exactly as the original part did, restoring the mower's performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.